Hello friends, my name is Razia. Today we are going to learn how to use HTML in VS Code. So first we're going to go to our file manager and then we will right click and click on create folder. We'll name the folder HTML tutorials. Now we're going to open our browser and we'll type VS Code and then we'll have to click on the download. So if you're using Windows, you click on this one, and if you're using Linux, you will click on one of these, and if you're using Mac OS, you will click on this. So now when you finish installing it, it should look like this. Well, we're going to click on file and then click on open folder, and now we're going to click on our HTML tutorials folder. So now after that it will look like this. So we're going to click on this plus button that will say new file. So we're going to name it index.html. So now we're going to write the simple things that we'll use to start our HTML document. So first we will write DOC and then we'll press enter and we'll show all of these. We're going to name it website. So now we're going to learn about headings. Headings are things that start with H, and we can have either H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 or H6. Now we're going to make a H1 and we're going to write like welcome to my website. So now we will save it by pressing Ctrl S. So we will right click on this and we'll click on copy path. So now we'll click on our web browser and then we're going to press Ctrl V, or we'll just right click and press paste. So now when we press enter, we'll see this text that says welcome to my website, and we'll also see that its name is website. So now we'll go back to our code editor. So we're going to use H2 and then we're going to just copy this and then paste it in the H2, and then we're going to make H3 and then paste it again, and then we're going to make H4 and then paste it again, and we're going to do the same thing for H5 and 6. So now if we save it and then we reload our website, we'll see that there are many headings which would be becoming smaller. So now we're going to So now the last thing I'm going to teach you is how to make paragraphs. So P means paragraph. So we're going to write this is a paragraph. And then when we go back after saving and then we'll reload it, we'll see this text that says this is a paragraph. So now that's the end. So thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel. So bye.